Hello there and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is what we did in our last video. We were inside of the dining room and we did a quick refresh for spring. And while I was doing that video, I did style a vase and some moss covered branches in this corner. But as I was doing that, I said I would really like to have a bar cart situated in this corner. So this weekend I went shopping and I was able to find a beautiful bar cart at HomeGoods. It's a bamboo option with a glass shelf, and it was $79 and I absolutely love it. And what I like about it is it can be indoors or outdoors. So right now I'm going to be styling it here in the dining room, but I do have the option of bringing it outside if I would like to during the warm season. So I just absolutely love the way that it just tucks into this corner. I had also found an option, a metal option on Amazon that was, I think, $49, and I really liked it. It was also on casters as well, but I definitely decided that I was going to purchase this one. Now, I'm not sure if I'll still purchase the Amazon option and then maybe put that one in here and have this one relocated to the patio. So I'm still debating that, but I did want to pick it up because you know how HomeGoods is. They have it 1 minute and then you go back for it and it's gone. So before we got started loading up the bar cart, I just wanted to come here in the kitchen and just slice up some oranges so that we can have it for the drink that I'm going to be creating and enjoying in a little while.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So I did want to just have the top shelf be like the liqueur, that we have. I only brought out a couple of bottles. We are not big drinkers, but we do have alcohol for when we have people over. We have barbecues outside or a party inside. So this will be perfect that I can just put it here, see what we have, and be able to utilize it when we have gatherings. So I did the liqueur on the top, and then I also did the wine on the bottom. And then we're just going to work in different types of glasses. I pulled out some stemless wine glasses, some tea cups that I'm going to be using as shot glasses. And then we also have some rockers, which is a set that I had got years ago from Tiffany's. So we're just going to utilize that as well. We're going to add in some dried florals and just make it look nice and appealing.
We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
So let me know if you guys have like a designated bar area on the inside of your home. I've never had one before. We did have a wine rack that we had for years in this same corner, but we took it out last year. So this is the first time that we actually have a styled bar, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you think my bar turned out. So I just wanted to thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate each time that you stop by and spend some time with me. I hope that you enjoy getting a glimpse of my home life, how I'm decorating and living in my space. I do love sharing content, so I really do appreciate each time that you guys view and leave me a comment and let me know how you're doing. So keep that up. I love chatting with you in the comment section. At the end of the video, I'm just going to showcase a couple of projects that we've done recently. If you're new here, the playlist is going to be linked in the description. If you've already watched these videos and you just want to get additional inspiration, please feel welcome to view it again. Until the next time, have a blessed day. I hope that you have an amazing week ahead, and I'll see you back here next Sunday.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.